How to fix thread post not uploading. In order to fix a thread post that won't upload, what you want to do is first thing first, check for an internet connection. So go to settings on your device, and after which you just want to make sure to select network and internet from the list and make sure that you've actually connected to a stable internet connections. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, you can also restart your app. Just close the background running app on your device, hold on to your side button, and that should also be able to help you fix as well. Next, what you also want to do is, in some cases, if it remains stuck, you could just go to settings on your device, locate app, and go to see all apps and tap the search bar and type in threads. After which, you just want to make sure to go to storage and cache and make sure to clear cache. That might also be able to help you out. If nothing works out, hold on to your side button, restart your device, at the same time reinstall your Threads app. That can also be able to help you out. So this way you're supposed to fix thread post not uploading. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.